guys, today we are going to draw and color bat which starts from the letter B. So the things we need are an eraser, a pencil, a black sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. We are going to draw a line and then a small line, again a diagonal line and one more. So it is looking like a strip. Now we are gonna make lines in that. This is the handle of the bat which is ready. Now we are going to make a little bit big line like this and one diagonal line and one more diagonal line, and then you will make a line like this and like this and a little bit curved from the ending. So this is our bat, and now we are going to outline it with a black sketch pen. This is our bat. Now we are going to color it. I am going to take brown color because a brown color is of a wood's color. I'll fill alternate boxes. Another color. Now I will take dark brown and I'll fill in the other alternate boxes. Now this space we are going to color skin color. Is our bat which is ready. A bat is used in different sports, mostly cricket and baseball. Thank you.